Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's having trouble rotating these items after they do the plastic effect. And that's a very common problem. I'm going to go ahead and delete that because it's takes up so much memory. I'm going to draw an ellipse and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to, from the center, I'm going to take my 3-point line, 3-point curve line, and I'm going to go outwardly like to right there and then give it a curve kind of like that. Let me zoom in here. Now I'm going to take another 3-point line. They don't have to match because what we're going to do, and we're going to go like right there. Now, we can take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Let's use, let's try this orange. Now, we're going to Control D, make a copy, alternate C, and we're going to rotate it in alternate C, put the rotation in the center of the page. We're going to rotate it 20 degrees. And it's hanging over a little bit, so what we're going to have to do is take both of them and left click, right click, and now we're going to cut this line out and fill in this one. And now that cut out that little tip. Now I'm going to nudge that out of the way, and I'm going to remove, well, I'm not going to move, I'm just going to nudge them out of the way. Now here's this problem. If we take this, and it might not work so well in this color, go to Effects and Texture and Plastic, it's going to give us that look, and that's pretty good. I kind of like that. So we're going to say OK. So here's his problem. When he Control D, it makes a duplicate, and when he runs it down to the node and he rotates it, it doesn't really do it sometimes, but we're going to rotate it 20 degrees. Now watch, it's going to make a liar out of me. But you can see it didn't rotate from the center, even though you've got it. See, it's going to change it. So you cannot, on this plastic effect, have the rotation there, but with just one copy, we can take it and move the center rotation to here. Whoop. See the node? I'm going to have to actually zoom in. We want it right on this node. That's probably good enough. Now we're going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform. And because we have the center there, and if you make a duplicate, the center is going to move back up. We're going to rotate it 20 degrees 17 times because we need 18. We've already got one. And then that time, it will rotate them all the way around. Takes a little bit because the plastic effect is taking a lot of memory out of it. Now let's, because we've nudged, we can take our circle and nudge it back up. Well, we got to, okay, let's just make a new circle because that's got some breaks in it. I think it's 17.8. And let's get rid of that other circle. And because we're working in the center of the page, see how everything's slowing down because of that? And that should put it right where we want it. It's a little bit off. Let's hold down the Shift key and bring it outwardly a little bit. Now we're going to make that a different color. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to go to Object, Order, Backup Page, and we get this look. That's kind of what's going on here. Now that's still selected, so we could get our interactive fill tool and just kind of swipe across it anywhere in the blue. See, all these plastic effects are taking effect on it. Elliptical. And move that to the center. And then we can make this blue. See, the plastic, some of it might just be my old laptop. And then we could bring in a white, like right there. And that's going to give it that look. So we need to bring in some more blues. So it's not quite so the white going to stand out more like a circle, more like that looks pretty good. I'm going to move this out just a little bit. So anyway, the main reason for the video is rotate it with the transformation docker. Mine says transform, yours might say transformation. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And if you always put black and go up to object order back a page, it'll look like that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.